The content in this video will be showed how to upgrade RAM for laptop computer, step by step. This laptop is Windows 8.1 Pro system with a 512 MB RAM. And I am going to have it replaced with 2 GB RAM here. Let me show you how long does it take to open a Windows page with this 512 MB RAM. The laptop is very slow for the action required anyway. Oh, we are having something. And yes, it is coming again. Just be a bit more patient with this. It has taken roughly 55 seconds so far. Now I have got the page I want. Two of these RAMs are going to be upgraded to this laptop. They are the same RAM, and 2 GB each. Undo a screw. Then open the RAM cover. There is only one RAM with 512 MB installed. By pushing away the spring load arms on both sides, the RAM just popped up, then sliding it out. There are 2 RAM space available. Open the new RAM from the package. Then comparing its terminal pins to the ones just took out. And they look like the same. The way of installing it is reversing the way of sliding it out. And make sure to match its terminal pin's position, then lightly pushed its edge down, so the spring load arms would lock whole piece automatically. Open the second RAM package, and do the same as previously. Then slide RAM into its position. Two 2 GB RAM installed. Put RAM's cover back. And secured. Let me show you again. How long will it take to open previous Windows page with this 4 GB RAM? It is pretty good result. I can see that now. And has taken roughly 16 seconds so far. Here we go. This is the page I want. That's it. Now you've known how to upgrade RAM for a laptop. And is the one of cost-effective way to do. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe if you've enjoyed the video. Your encouragement is my motivation.